You must have some more?
No thanks.
But, cookie!
That's right, this is no ordinary cake. Believe it or not, even 5 brave souls couldn't conquer it in one sitting. Hi, my name is Alex, and today, I'm taking you on a journey to experience something truly legendary. This is no ordinary dessert, it's a challenge like no other. But before we dive into this darkly tempting delight, there's a crucial step you need to take: hit that like and subscribe button. Trust me, you do not want to miss the spine-tingling details of this decadent masterpiece. Plus, you'll help spread the legend of this cake far and wide. As we walked in, I started feeling like an imposter. Everyone was decked out in designer from head to toe, while I was rocking my casual jeans. I couldn't help but think, am I in the right place? The vibe was so over the top that even breathing here felt expensive, so, here I am, casually strolling through this lane outside the hotel, but still on the premises. And get this isn't even the main part of the journey. To get to this restaurant, you actually need a buggy. Yeah, a buggy.
Where is the Parker? Parker, and you can wait for Parker by here, so you can go by 5 minutes from here. 5 minutes what? Yeah, Parker.
Seriously? I know what you're thinking, why are we going somewhere that needs a chauffeur? Well, apparently, yes. Just look behind me, what looked like a scene from a Bond film, majestic Hotel Jumeirah, where rooms start at €900 a night. My heart was racing, not just from the towering structure but from the thought, what on earth have my friends gotten me into? And because it's Dubai, of course, this isn't just any buggy. It feels like something straight out of a futuristic video game. All for what? But honestly, only in Dubai could something this extra make total sense. The journey felt like it took forever. I started questioning everything, what's next? And then, there it was, the famous Burj Al Arab, staring at me with its jaw-dropping view. Rooms here start at €1,200 per night. It felt like driving through a billionaire's playground. After what seemed like forever, we finally arrived at Parker's, a hidden gem tucked away in all this luxury. And if you tried walking here during the day, you'd be Dubai fried chicken. It's right in front of the Burj Al Arab. And then it happened. My friend casually said, "We're here for a cake." I didn't know whether to laugh or cry. I had no idea what I'd signed up for, but I was too far in to turn back.
Table for 5.
Right now, I'm at Parker's restaurant inside the Jumeirah Beach Hotel. Just a heads up, if you're planning to visit, the entrance is through the Jumeirah Beach Hotel, not from the Burj Al Arab, even though it's right nearby. I placed the order and, astonishingly, the ambience hit me, right in front of the Burj Al Arab. We were perched at the very edge of this lavish spot, just a stone's throw from the beach. There the cake arrives. I kid you not, it was like a chocolate mountain. We couldn't believe our eyes. It was enormous. We all glanced at each other, asking, can we even finish this? This wasn't just a cake, it was a challenge, a masterpiece. As we cut into it, thick, velvety chocolate started oozing out. Like liquid gold. The rich aroma of fine chocolate filled the air, tempting us to dive in. One bite, and I knew, this cake wasn't here to play. It was indulgent, decadent, and felt like pure bliss melting in your mouth. The cake melted in my mouth. It wasn't just rich, it was divine. Each bite was a balancing act between indulgence and guilt. We all took a small slice, thinking we could handle it. But with every forkful, we were blown away. None of us had ever tasted something so perfect. You remember that scene from Matilda with Bruce Bogtrotter and the chocolate cake, right? Yeah, well, I was living that scene, only I wasn't being punished, though my waistline might disagree, and here's the thing, nobody beats the Matilda cake. As much as we tried, it conquered us. We had to call it quits halfway through and pack up the rest for round 2. Looks like the next stop is the couch, but here's the bottom line, if you ever find yourself in Dubai, do yourself a favor and visit Parker's. You have to try the Matilda cake. But be warned, it's not just a cake, it's a journey, one you'll never forget, so, if you enjoyed this adventure, and trust me, I know you did, hit like, hit subscribe, and join me on my next adventure. Who knows what other epic journeys await? Until next time, sweet dreams.